So if we look at Dogecoin right now, you can see that it's broken out exactly how I predicted. Remember, I drew that W pattern here, and it looks like we're breaking out exactly as predicted. So that looks like we could see 37 cents, 36 cents by the 18th of June. Then my next target is 43 cents around the 21st of June, and then hopefully by the 5th or 6th of July we should be hitting our 50-cent mark. So that's really bullish news. So it looks like my W pattern is actually, we're hitting that exactly as I predicted, so I'm pretty bullish about that, and I'm pretty excited that we looks like we're on our way. So I'll just repeat that for people that just jumped in. So we're looking at a target of 37 cents by the 18th or 19th of June. Keep in mind, guys, that these dates can be flexible, plus or minus 2 or 3 days. The crypto markets, they can be unpredictable. We can get suddenly some news, or we can get a tweet from Elon Musk that can really cause the markets to change. So welcome, Greg, to the chat. Welcome, Get Out. I love you guys for all the support, and thanks very much. Hey, Greg, you're from Pennsylvania. I love Pennsylvania. It's a great place. Today's my birthday, guys, just FYI. So this is the birthday live stream coming to you live from Vietnam. Right now it's 10:04 a.m. here. So yeah, I just thought I'd bring this live stream to you guys. We have amazing news for Doge. Something really bullish is happening. If we look at the technicals, you guys can remember that a couple of days ago I talked about this W pattern coming in, and it looks like we're breaking out exactly as predicted, in line with my W pattern. So I'll just repeat. A lot of people are getting coming late to the live stream. Thank you, David, for the birthday wishes. Thank you, Avest6543, for the birthday wishes. Appreciate it. Thanks, guys, for all your support and everything. Guys, if you're watching the channel, please smash the likes. Let's get these likes up, and that will tell YouTube that you guys like this channel. So guys, what can I say about Dogecoin? Dogecoin, woohoo, to the moon, guys. We're trading around about 32.6. I think that we still we'll hit 34 cents today, so this is really good. But what makes me really excited, guys, is if you look at this pattern that I drew out for you guys, we had this descending triangle here, big, huge descending triangle here. We came all the way down, then we came up over 45 cents. We got rejected all the way back down to here. And now, if you look at my W pattern, we're actually following that exactly as I predicted. So this is really exciting news. I'm excited, and I really believe that 50 cents is definitely incoming by July 6th. So once again, let me just repeat these patterns for everybody so you can see. So right now we're trading around about 32.6, and you can see that this line I drew 3 or 4 days ago. I think if you guys have been watching the videos, I drew this line 34 days ago, and I set my targets. I set a target here of 36 cents, and we're looking at hitting that target between the 18th or 19th based on the line that's going in this direction. Then my next target is 43 cents, 42.9, and we're looking at hitting that around the 27th of June, guys. 28th of June. So you can see that then my next target takes us, let me just move that out here, takes us to around 50 cent level, and we're looking at I think between July 5th, July 6th, 7th range, we should be back up at 50 cents. So it looks like that the prediction is coming out exactly as predicted. So I'm pretty excited about that, and you can see that right now overall the markets are really good right now. You can see that Bitcoin is up. Let me just change that for you. So I'm just going to take a little bit of geo, and then we'll get into the rest of the crypto markets right now. So hey, if you guys want to get a crypto daily crypto trade signals cup, you can go to my merchandise link and get yourselves a cup. All right, so the good news is right now we can see that Bitcoin is up. It's over 40,000. Remember, $40,000 was a big key resistance level for Bitcoin. So we've gone past that now. So that's really bullish news, and that will take the rest of the altcoins up with it. And we can see that happening. We're seeing a pretty much a green day overall across the whole board here. Right now we're looking at Ethereum is at 2,596. You know, we're going to be testing the 2,600 range really soon, guys. So this is really good. Dexter, big shout out to you, brother. Thanks for being in the live stream. We really appreciate it. So Ethereum is up at up 4%. BNB is at $372, and that's around about 2.35%. So you know, Doge is still up, guys. It's up nearly 1%. It's come down a little bit from early this morning. Woo-hoo. So, but we're still seeing green, guys. So green is always good, right? So we're at 32 cents, 32.6 cents. So that's really positive. Now, something to watch, guys, is if you look here, we have our total market cap right now is at 1.68 trillion, and that's up 3.2%. So that's really good, guys. You know, we want to see a lot of green days. We need to see more green days, but I think, you know, now that if Bitcoin can stay above 40,000, which was its previous resistance levels, now become a support, then we should be able to move up to $45,000 soon, and then that of course will take Bitcoin up with it, Dogecoin up with it. So I'm really excited, really bullish. Now, the other thing that we need to keep an eye on, and I've talked about this many times before in the channel, guys, is we need to look at the Bitcoin dominance. Right now, Bitcoin dominance is really high. It's 45%, and this really needs to come down. If we're going to see the altcoins make a big move, we need to see that to come down. So right now, the linkage between the altcoins and the Bitcoin is really solid. And right now, we're not in altcoin season. We're not in an altcoin month right now. So we really need this to come down to around about 35% or so. And when that happens, then we're going to see the altcoins, you know, make big moves. So retail investors are now jumping back into the markets. So this is a really good sign, really bullish sign. So, you know, today we've had a lot of good news come out. We've had Goldman Sachs expands cryptocurrency trading desk, and now they're offering Ethereum futures. And you know what makes me really laugh is, as you know, that Goldman Sachs and JP Morgan, these guys have been the king of FUD. They've been spreading a lot of FUD around. They've been scaring the hell out of all the retail investors. You know, a lot of people with paper hands, the weak Nancy's, they've been selling off all of their crypto, selling off all of their Bitcoin at a discount. And guess who's been driving all of that FUD and scaring the pants off everyone? Well, it's been Goldman Sachs, it's been JP Morgan, and they've been spreading FUD. They've been paying for articles in the media to scare you guys to basically sell off your coins. So as you can see that now that Bitcoin is now above the $40,000 resistance level, you can now see that with perfect timing, Goldman Sachs and others, they've accumulated all of the Bitcoin that they need right now, and now of course they're coming out with Goldman Sachs expands cryptocurrency trading desk with Ether futures and options. So wowee! So now you know, after Goldman Sachs spreading you know, all the negative FUD, now suddenly they love crypto. They're backing crypto again. Woohoo! So that's why you know, don't trust these big boys, these big institutions. Basically, you know, they're creating the FUD to scare you to sell cheap, and now the prices are going up. Of course, they want to drive the price up again so they can make more cash. So, you know, guys, it's just a cycle. It's like rinse, repeat, create the FUD, drive the price down, get the retail investors to panic, sell all their stuff. And now that, you know, Bitcoin is above 40 cents, $48,000, now they're starting with the positive spin because they want to drive prices up. So, you know, what I'm trying to say in summary, without going on and on and on, is don't listen to the FUD. Don't pay attention to it, because a lot of this is paid propaganda by the large banks and institutions. All right, guys? Guys, smash the likes. We've only got 24 likes and we got 58, 60 people watching. So smash the likes, guys. Smash it, smash it, smash it, smash it. Okay? Guys, don't forget, you know, you can support the channel with a super chat anytime. You know, I'd love to get a super chat anytime. If you got any big questions, send a super chat and I'm happy to answer it. So David Martin saying, don't panic. Absolutely, guys, you should not be panicking now. I believe, hey, Brian Riviera, woohoo, in the house. You know, I believe right now we've really hit the bottom of the market already. And now we're seeing that, you know, we're going to see positive momentum, and we're going to see a lot of green days. And I think that will be, you know, as I said, if I get back to the chart for those that just come in late, we got Elon Musk in the house. I don't know if it's a real Elon Musk. All right. But, you know, as I talked about again, and I'm just repeating this, rehashing this for the people that have come late, guys. So bear with me. I don't want to be repetitive, but I just want to get the message out to those that have come late. So as I talked about in my previous videos, we had this W pattern forming here, here, and here. And then I predicted that this would be the breakout and the targets. So once again, just to repeat, you know, we can see that we're absolutely trading within my pattern here. So we can definitely expect a 37-cent Dogecoin. Woof, woof, Dogecoin to the moon coming in around about the 18th or 19th of June. So if we continue in this trend, we should expect 18th or 19th seeing you know, 37 cents coming in. Then my next target is around about 43 cents, 44 cents. And we should see that coming in between the 25th, 26th, 27th of June. Remember, these targets are going to be a little bit flexible due to the nature of crypto. You know, some people have been beating me up saying, oh, you said June, blah, blah, blah. Remember, the crypto markets can go up or down on some news. So you guys just have to be patient, have diamond hands, and expect peaks, valleys, and some volatility. So guys, don't panic. Don't overly panic. You know, so June targets can become July targets. It's very easy for crypto to move and be unpredictable. Then I am expecting that we should be able to hit 50 cents by the 4th, 5th, or 6th of July if we continue in this trend. So I don't think we're going to break down from this trend. I think we're going to continue the positive momentum. So I'm pretty bullish right now. Just get some Joe. So guys, please smash the likes, support the channel wherever you can. So let's get into some more news, and then after we go through all the news, then we'll go into the Q&A. All right, guys? All right. So the other big news that's come out recently is this news from Michael Saylor and Microstrategy is that Microstrategy, they're going to be selling 500 million notes to buy Bitcoin. So this is really big, guys. And the other news from Microstrategy is that right now they're about to sell another $1 billion worth of their stocks. They're trying to raise $1 billion because they want to buy more Bitcoin. So this is really bullish news. And when that big announcement comes that they selling more stocks to buy more Bitcoin, if it's a $1 billion worth, it's going to send the markets really high. So that's really positive news, right, guys? So, and then also you can see that since El Salvador has made Bitcoin legal tender, you can see that there's been a huge surge in the remittances for that. And then the other big news that's coming out is Tanzania is also planning to create, to have Bitcoin become legal tender. So if you guys are wondering what this tool is that I'm using, this is the Aurox tool, guys. And the Aurox tool is a free tool, and it's really fantastic. I think you guys should check it out. You should use it. It's 100% free. And you know what I really like about the Aurox tool is, and I'll send you a link in the chat right now. The Aurox tool, of course you've got the you know, the different coins that you can put in. It has an order book, the recent trades. But the other good news is it has links to CoinGecko. So it'll link it right here, tell the existing prices. Also, you can go to the website and it takes you straight to the Doge website. So that's really cool, right? And then also it takes you to the Twitter page. So the Dogecoin Twitter page, so you can check the Dogecoin tweets, replies, and any breaking news here. So that's also really good. The other thing is you can also check the Reddit pages. But what I really like about this is it has a news filter. Okay, so and here it has all the recent stories that are coming out. And so it's really easy for you guys to get all the information you want. So you know, I think check out the tool. I'll send the link again in the chat. It's 100% free. Check it out. So we got some new breaking news right here that's just come out. Billionaire Paul Tudor Jones says, "I like Bitcoin. I will go all in on the inflation trades if the Fed says things are good." So you know, this is really bullish. And keep in mind right now that, you know, we can expect that there's going to be some serious hyperinflation in the U.S. Remember, none of this is financial advice. And if we see that the Fed and Biden pushes the print button and we start printing $8 billion worth of fiat currency, you know, inflation is going to be amazing, guys. It's going to be really high. So, you know, what's a really good hedge against inflation is cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, and even stable coins. So, guys, you know, once again, this is not financial advice. Do your own research, and of course, you know, do what's right for you. Never leverage trade, guys. Those of you that are leverage trading, don't do that. It's really dangerous, particularly for you guys that are new in the space. Never ever leverage trade. Guys, please smash the like. I got 85 people watching, but I've only got 52 likes. Smash the likes right now. Remember, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe right now, guys. Subscribe. Hit that, smash that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. Support the channel as much as you can. Super chats. We know that yesterday Elon Musk, you know, had a huge Twitter storm yesterday. Let's just check Elon Musk again. So you guys know that he tweeted up a storm yesterday in reply to the CoinDesk article, and he basically said that Tesla did not sell all of their Bitcoin. They only sold 10% to test the market, and he replied by saying that in fact, once the miners can reduce their fossil fuel, then they will be absolutely allowing people to buy Tesla with Bitcoin. So, you know, and this was the article, you know, Elon Musk catching flack again. But what time is it? And you know, the CEO Magada, you know, he was like bashing Elon, and that he's saying that we should SEC should open an investigation against Elon and slam Elon for, you know, market manipulation. Well, I mean, you know, yes, no, maybe so, I don't know. But what's really important though, he's saying that it's inaccurate. Tesla only sold 10%. They didn't sell off all of their Bitcoin. To confirm BTC could be liquidated easily without moving the market. So he's saying that this was just a test sell to see what impact it would have on the market. And then he also goes on to say, when there's confirmation of reasonable 50% clean energy usage for miners with positive future trend, then Tesla will be resuming Bitcoin. You know, transactions. So what's really important to understand is that Bitcoin mining, miners are incentivized, of course, to have the cheapest electricity, because one of the biggest costs for mining is electricity, of course, right guys? Guys, smash the likes. I got almost 100 people in the house, only 66 likes. Smash the likes. So you have to understand that miners are incentivized to find the cheapest electrical supply as possible. And you know, most of the most electricity that's cheap comes from hydro, solar, and thermal. So for example, Iceland, a lot of their electricity in Iceland comes from geothermal. You know, they have all these hot springs and volcanoes and stuff. So that's why you find that there's a lot of miners in Iceland. And then let's take a look at China. A lot of the Chinese miners, their power is coming from wind and hydropower. So, you know, it's not true that, you know, a lot of miners are using fossil fuels. So I think very shortly we're going to see an announcement, and I think it's going to be really short, coming out soon, that Tesla will be accepting Bitcoin again to buy a Tesla. And I think the Doge announcement that you can use Doge to buy a Tesla will also be coming out shortly. Remember, Elon Musk's birthday is coming up on the 28th, so we might find some really amazing announcements coming up around that time. So I'm pretty excited. I'm pretty bullish. You know, Dogecoin to the moon, guys. You know, we have our W pattern. We're trading exactly as predicted once again. You know, we have a little bit of a bear indicator here. I wouldn't worry too much about it. We seem to be trending up in my W pattern, and we're preparing ourselves for a breakout to 37 cents on the 19th of June, back up to 43.5, 45 cents around the 26th of June, and then we should be back up to 50 cents by the 5th, 6th, or 7th of July. So those are my targets, guys. Smash the likes. I hope you guys are enjoying this channel. Please support the channel as much as possible. Any super chats out there, guys? Any super chats? Get some Joe. Hey, if you guys want to buy a Crypto Daily Trade Signals mug, t-shirt, hoodies, bags, go to my merchandise links and you can buy and check out the merch, and you can buy any of this stuff. It's fun stuff, and all the proceeds go to charity. So anything you buy goes to charity, guys. So yeah, check out the merch, guys. Check out the merchandise. The link is in the description of this video, and I'll post it here for you guys right now. So check out the merch. All right, guys, cool. All right, guys, is there any let's get into the Q&A part of the live stream. So let's get into the Q&A. Any questions out there? Any super chats, please? And then let's get into the Q&A. All right, Brian W in the house. Woohoo! So if there's any super chats out there, any questions in the house? So it's great to be alive, right, guys? Doge is definitely moving up, moving up. So I'm pretty excited about it. You should be excited about it. And yeah, it's amazing time to be alive. There's definitely a crypto revolution going on, guys. I love it. You love it. Here's the link to the merch, guys. Woohoo! Check out the merch. Hey, Ron Land, thanks for the super chat. Thank you very much. And Disca Bear too, thank you for the super chat. Thanks so much, brother. Woohoo! Any questions out there? Any more questions, guys? Almost Doge Army, let's go. It's great to be alive, guys. Great to be alive. Appreciate it. So yeah, I mean, it's exciting to be alive, guys. So, you know, Doge is definitely going to hit 50 cents by July 6th. I'm really confident that it's going to do that. Hopefully you're confident too. You know, and my next video is going to be coming out around about lunchtime, Bangkok time. So you want to check that out, guys. You know, get ready for that. It's going to be really, really good, and it's going to be fantastical. So yeah, Dogecoin to the moon. Remember, the most important thing when investing and this is not financial advice, is you got to have diamond hands. And you know, the way I invest is very simple. I have a 50, 25, 25 rule. I take 50% of my investment and I invest it in Bitcoin. I take the other 25% and I invest it in the top 10 cryptocurrencies, the top 10. Then the balance of the 25%, I will invest that. I'll invest 20% in medium caps, and then 5%, I call this my moon boy bag, and the other 5% I will do like high risk crypto, like, you know, Shiba Inu and all of that. And then of the 20, so it's like 50, 25, 25. So, you know, that's really good. So, you know, once again, I want to give a big shout out to Dirk Azabear too. Thank you for that beautiful super chat, brother. I really appreciate that. Remember, all of the super chats, all the merch that you guys buy, this goes to charity, and we'll be doing a charity giveaway video in you know, shortly. Probably you know, end of July, we'll be doing a charity giveaway video for you guys, so you can see where all the cash is going. So, you know, I really appreciate it. Joseph, thank you very much. How much of Joseph has a question. He's asking, how many of you would spend BTC for toilet paper, soap, deodorant, shampoo, and everyday things? I know it wouldn't be a poor problem, wouldn't it either? You know, Joseph, you know, it's a good question. I mean, if I was going to use crypto to buy stuff, I would use Doge because the transaction fees are low and the speed is high. You know, even though that, you know, Bitcoin is using the Lightning Network, sometimes, you know, I've transferred Bitcoin and sometimes I've waited a couple hours for it to happen. So the thing is, if you're in a convenience store and you have your digital wallet and you go to pay with Bitcoin and you get stuck there for an hour waiting to pay for the coffee, I think it's really, you know, going to be a nuisance. So that's why I think, you know, Doge has a lot of utility. You know, we have 1,407 businesses and retailers now accepting Doge. So I think this is really, really good stuff. Dirk Bear too is asking, Coinbase has a debit card now and you can pay with any coin fast. Yeah, exactly. You know, Crypto.com also has a credit card, and I have a Crypto.com credit card. And I'm not, I'm not, you know, shilling or work for Crypto.com, but they have a, you know, one of the first companies to have a credit card, and it's really great. You get 5% cash back, you get free Spotify, you get this and that. And the other good thing about it is you top up using your crypto. So it's really good. BitPay also has one. So I use the Crypto.com one. So, you know, it's also a good way sometimes when when you've made a lot of profits, you know, to transfer to the fiat in Crypto.com and BitPay, and I think Coinbase works the same, and you can use it, and it's great. And the Crypto.com card, one thing I really like about it, it's actually a metal card. It's actually a metal physical card. So I love it. You know, if you want to get, and it's pretty easy to get. You know, the KYC is not too you know, not too crazy, because sometimes the KYC and some of these places to get the credit card can be really a pain in the butt. So, you know, if you haven't checked out Crypto.com, let me send you a link to Crypto.com. And if you use my link, you get a $25 sign up bonus. All right, guys. So yeah, these are awesome way to you know, spend your crypto, you know, without having to, you know, sell it on an exchange and transfer it to your bank and absorb all the fees. And the other thing is you're also getting cash back, guys. So this is really good. So that's a great question. Dirk Bear too. Boom. Thank you for that question, guys. So check out my Crypto.com link. If you sign up, you get $25 cash back as well. Now there's another link I'm going to share with you. Take it or leave it if you want, but I just thought I'd share it with you guys. It's a great link. It's a Bybit link, and if you sign up with Bybit using my link, you can get up to $1,000 cash back. So that's up to you guys if you want to check it out. If you don't want to check it out, that's also fine. So you know, you can get cash back up to $1,000 if you use my link on Bybit, depending on how much you deposit. So guys, those are, just check it out. All right. Okay, guys, any more questions? Any more questions? We've got 110 people in the live stream. Guys, smack the likes. Let's get the likes up. We've only got 83 likes, and I've got 110 people in the live stream. Do the math, guys. It's not, you know, we need to get more. Smash the likes. If you don't smash the like, I'm not saying another word. Smash the likes. Smash the like. Thanks, Jerry McKnight, for the support. Appreciate it. Love you guys. Love all of my subscribers. Love everybody in the chat. If you have not subscribed, guys, please subscribe. Any more super chats? Any more super chats in the house? Eric, thank you for liking. Smash the like button. Thanks, Dirk Bear too. Woo! Thanks for that super chat. That was awesome of you. Appreciate it. Witty Jet, come on, guys. Smash the like. Any more super chats out there? Get some Joe. Get some. Smash the likes, guys. We got 129 people watching. I only got 91 likes. Thanks, Dirk Bear. Thank you very much. I appreciate that, brother. Wow. Dirk Bear just gave us, has contributed $150 to the channel. That, you know, we're going to be giving a lot of that to charity. I appreciate that, Dirk Bear. You're awesome. God bless you, man. God bless you, man. I appreciate that. Hey, Mesa, thank you for being a member of the channel. Thank you. God bless you too. God bless all of you who are watching this right now. Thank you for the support. The Doge army, we're going to get there. Woohoo! So this is really good news. Guys, just give me 1 second. I got to get my power cable for my computer because my computer is about to die. So I need to plug this in. Thanks, brother. Thank you. Thank Dirk Bear too. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. So let me just, give me 1 second. I'm going to get the power cable for my computer. Give me 1 second. All right, guys, I'm back. Sorry, I had to get my power cable. I'm plugging it in because I'm about to run out of power here. Give me 1 second. I'll jump back in the live stream. 1 second. 1 second, guys. Sorry about that. Technical glitch. Technical glitch. Woohoo! About to power up. About to power up. So yeah, Dogecoin to the moon. You know, definitely 50 cent target coming in by July 6th. I'm really bullish. You should be bullish. All right, guys, I'm back. He got into the Doge. Let's see. Yeah, you know, I love Doge. I mean, I bought Doge. I'll be honest with you guys. I'll be honest. I'm holding about 4 million worth of Doge, and I bought it at 0025, and I only invested 10K. And right now at the current price, at the current price of 4 million Doge at 32.6 cents. So if you do the math, 4 million Doge times 32.6, that gives you about $1.3 million. So my investment, whew. So, I just want to say once again to Dirk Bear, God bless you, brother. Thank you for supporting the channel. Witty Jet, also thank you for supporting the channel. Become a member, Witty. Become a member. Woo. So, yeah. Any more questions? Any more super chats from anybody out there? Appreciate it. Smack the likes, guys. Smack the like. Corey's asking, congrats, you will be a billionaire in 5 years. I mean, I hope so. I mean, I also bought Ethereum when it was, around $300. And you know, I bought a thousand Ethereum at $300, and now you know, look where it is today. And if we look at where Ethereum is right now, Ethereum right now is trading at 25.90. It's, you know, it's definitely going up, right, guys? You know, we could see $3,000 coming in for Ethereum really soon. So I think that's going to happen. Someone's asking, why is Doge not up as much as the other coins? Well, keep in mind, guys, look, if you look at the last 3 months for Doge is up 459%, guys. So Doge is up 459% in 3 months. Bitcoin is down, Ethereum is up. So guys, please understand, it's really normal. It's really normal for coins to take a breather, right? It's really normal for coins to take a breather once they've had a big run up. So I really believe that Doge is going to consolidate a little bit. And once again, I believe that my targets are going to hold true. We're going to see 50 cents incoming by 6th of July. You know, this is really, really what's going to happen. You know, Dirk Bear 2 says, Bitcoin from 2007, I now made me a happy man. Yeah, I mean, absolutely. Because Dirk Bear is absolutely right. If you want to make money in this business, you need to hodl. You need to hodl. I mean, you know, before I was a miner, I used to mine Bitcoin, and you know, I mined Bitcoin, and Bitcoin mining, you know, back before the previous halving, I got out before the previous halving, but Bitcoin mining was like a legal way of printing your own money. You just plug it in, and there you go. You're mining Bitcoin. And you know, this is when, you know, Bitcoin was around about $3,000, and even lower. And I was just mining away, and you know, I never sold any of my Bitcoin, and I don't plan on selling any of my Bitcoin. And you know, the other strategy that I have is, you know, we all need cash flow to live, right? You know. Because still cryptocurrency is not part of the mainstream adoption yet, so you do need some cash flow. But what I like to do is at least 50% to 60% of my cash flow, I turn it into crypto. So what I'm saying is whatever cash is coming in from my businesses, then I convert it to crypto. Dirk Bear is asking, Bitcoin mining is how I got into Bitcoin, and I mined 16.2 Bitcoin is worth. Yeah, exactly. That's exactly what I did. You know, I was building websites, and you know, when I went to Cornell and stuff, I just started mining as kind of like a hobby, just something to do on the side. So I got into it, and you know, I was using the Bitmain ASIC miners, you know, the S9s and this and that, and that's how I got into mining. And you know, I never I never sold any of the Bitcoins. I just mined the hell out of it, and you know, it was a legal form of printing money. Literally, Bitcoin mining is and was a legal form of printing money. And I stopped Bitcoin mining after the last half because it was getting more difficult, more competitive. So yeah, it's fantastic, guys. Let's see, the Frank McGee report. Hey Daryl, Frank from Tennessee. Shout out, I'm having a great time. Diamond hands, absolutely. Dirk Bear's acting, and since I have tripled and doubled and quadrupled my money. Exactly, guys. You know, so mining has made a lot of money for me because I made money exactly like Dirk Bear had done. You just hodl, have diamond hands. This is what's really key, guys. So having diamond hands is what's key. Guys, smash the likes, please. You know, we got two brothers from Tennessee in the house. Woohoo! Tennessee in the house, guys. Any more super chats out there? Please support the channel. Woohoo! Woohoo! So yeah, you know, Bitcoin mining has been lucrative for a lot of people. Now getting into mining is, you know, it's not as profitable as it used to be before. But yeah, so Bitcoin mining, guys. So any more questions, guys? If there's no more questions or no more super chat, I'm going to end the live stream in about 5 minutes. Guys, smash the likes. I'm really happy that you guys are here. You know, yeah, thanks, Dirk. I just deleted that comment because that was just a bizarre comment. Yeah, there's no fraud here, guys. I'm showing you what the charts is. We're talking about the news. This is exactly what's happening. You know, definitely, cryptocurrency is a new revolution, and it's the new financial freedom. Remember, this is not financial advice. We all know that in the U.S., the inflation has been the highest it's ever been in 13 years, guys. So, you know, I believe the hyperinflation is definitely coming. Dogecoin Bear 2 said, started a Bitcoin mining contract when Bitcoin was low, and when it's high, you make tons of money. Exactly. And the way you do that is you hodl, don't sell your Bitcoins. Absolutely. I love it. So yeah, you know, look at Doge, guys. We're definitely, you see the W pattern I talked about, where it's formed, and we're on our way, guys. We're definitely on our ways. You guys just have to be patient. Be patient, you know. Be positive. You know, and those of you who stress out every time that, you know, Dogecoin goes down a little bit, Dirk Bear, thank you very much, brother. To the moon, I appreciate it. Woohoo! Thanks, Dirk Bear. Thank you for the support. So you can see that, you know, we're definitely breaking out, and not only that, but look at all the cryptos, guys. All the crypto, we're going green. We're going green. You know, so let's look at the 24 hours again. So we're going green, guys. So I believe that we've hit bottom already. You know, and I believe that we're definitely, July is going to be the month for crypto. And if you look at Plan B, he's the guy that came up with the stock to flow model. And you know, he's still saying that 287,000 Bitcoin is still possible. Let's hope so, guys, because if 287,000 Bitcoin comes in, there's going to be a lot of millionaires. Definitely new millionaires will come in, you know. And, you know, $1 for Dogecoin is absolutely possible. I mean, our all-time high was 72 cents not too long ago. So $1 is definitely incoming. You know, so guys, yeah, Dirk Bear is saying bottom is a relative term. Just be careful, bro. Yeah, exactly. You know, things could go down even more. I agree. But, you know, right now we're looking pretty bullish and pretty on our way up. So this is really fantastic news, guys. So any more questions or many super chats? Welcome, Johnny. Welcome, Candy Jimmers. How do we learn to mine any coin? Well, you know, the best way to learn how to mine is go on Google, do a search on Bitcoin mining. And Bitcoin mining is really easy, guys. You just buy the ASIC miners and plug and play. It's not difficult. You know, do some research. I mean, I didn't know anything about Bitcoin mining. I just went on the internet, learned about it, bought an ASIC miner, and followed the quick setup guide, and that was it. Because, you know, a lot of miners now, before, you know, 5, 6, 7 years ago, mining was, you know, you had to be kind of a tech head, a bit of a nerd. But now mining is easy. You just buy an ASIC miner, plug it in, connect it to your computer, and just let it run. That's basically it. It's not complicated. I mean, you can even go to www.nicehash.com and you can connect any of your PCs that are not using, and you can mine. Okay? Yeah, you're not gonna make a ton of money mining, but at least it'll introduce you to what mining is all about. So you can go to www.nicehash.com, connect your PC, and do mining. You know, so it's a fun, cool thing to do. So yeah, do we have to believe Elon Musk about his tweet? Yeah, you know, I think, you know, remember, one of the reasons that Elon came out with his tweet that Tesla's not accepting Bitcoin and they stopped doing that. Remember that Tesla gets a lot of green grants from the federal government. We're talking billions of dollars worth of federal green grants. And remember, some of their top shareholders are also, you know, they want to keep this whole green friendly thing, like, you know, BlackRock and all of that. So he was pressured by the shareholders to come out and say that. But you can see that the reversal is coming now with his latest tweet, where he says once the miners can reduce their fossil fuel usage by 50%, then they will accept Dogecoin, accept Bitcoin again. So yeah, you can believe him. Remember, what Elon Musk wants to do, he has to be tempered by, remember, he's working for a company and he has shareholders, and he also has to listen to the shareholders. All right, so that's important. Any more super chats? Any more questions out there, guys? Got my Joe. Smash the likes, guys. Woohoo! Smash the likes. I love it. All right, guys. If there's no more questions, we all have to wait and be patient. Absolutely. Melissa's saying we all have to wait and be patient. Absolutely. Dogecoin to the moon, guys. Woohoo! Be patient. That's the most important thing. Be patient. Be patient. And diamond hands, don't give up. You know, some people, they get into crypto because they want to get rich quick, and then they get upset when things go down 4 or 5%. You got to ask yourself, how much pain are you willing to endure? You know, sometimes crypto, look at May 19th, we had that flash crash, almost went down 50%, guys. I didn't sell a thing. I'm still holding. I'm still hodling. And I'm back up now, right? I'm back up again. So, diamond hands, guys. Guys, if you want to become a member of the channel, I'll send you the link in the chat here. Woo! There we go. Dogecoin to the moon, guys. Really appreciate it. All right, guys. If there's no more super chats or no more big questions, I'm going to end the live stream in about 2 minutes, guys. So, no super chats or anything, or no big question. I'll end the live stream here. And, you know, I want to just say, Dirk Bear too, God bless you, man. You're awesome. Thank you for all the support. Appreciate that. Woohoo! Dirk Bear in the house. You're the man. So, guys, if there's no more questions, I just want to say, God bless all of you. Be safe. Be well. Live every moment, every second, every minute like it's your last. Make every second, every minute count. Enjoy what you're doing. Just enjoy. Sit back and relax. We all know that this year has been really tough for the whole mankind with this COVID thing. It's been rough and tough. Some people are still on lockdown. You know, here in Vietnam, we are now, you know, getting the 3rd or 4th wave, and it's the worst wave that we've got. So, you know, a lot of things are closed. Restaurants are closed, and it's pretty boring. You know, basically we're stuck at home. So I know that a lot of you have gone through that. We're going through that here. And so if you guys see me doing some videos outside, I'm wearing a mask, well, you know it's because of the COVID thing. So once again, God bless you guys. This live stream has been the best birthday present that I could ever have. Thank you, Dirk Bear, too. Thank you. This has been a huge birthday present from you and all my subscribers. All right, guys. So, take care. Thank you. Peace out.